Can pregnant women drink coffee? You don't have to completely kick your caffeine habit once you're expecting a baby. How much caffeine is safe during pregnancy? Current guidelines from the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, and other experts say that it's safe for pregnant women to consume up to 200 mg/mg of caffeine a day, the equivalent of 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. More than that may slightly increase the risk of miscarriage, though the existing evidence is inconclusive. Consuming moderate amounts of caffeine during pregnancy may also result in slightly lower birth weights. How does caffeine affect my baby when I'm pregnant? It's a little unclear. Experts know that caffeine can cross the placenta, and some studies tie very high caffeine consumption to a greater risk for pregnancy loss and lower birth weights. How does caffeine affect me when I'm pregnant? You may find it doesn't affect you at all. On the other hand, it's possible that you may react differently to caffeine once you're pregnant. One note of caution: it's possible that too much caffeine during pregnancy can impact your body's ability to absorb iron, which can increase your risk of iron deficiency or anemia. Are there any benefits of caffeine during pregnancy? In general, moderate amounts of caffeine have been shown to improve energy and alertness, and it can also perk you up after a night spent tossing and turning. It's fine to have a little bit of caffeine if you need it, provided you keep an eye on how much you're consuming. But if you didn't consume caffeine before, there's no reason to start doing so once you're pregnant. Tips for cutting back on caffeine during pregnancy. Figure out what you love best about your caffeine fix. Know where it's hiding. Go gradually and find energy the old-fashioned way. While the thought of scaling back on yet another staple in your diet may be frustrating, remember that it's not forever. Soon enough, you'll be able to drink a few cups a day of your favorite coffee again without worry. And when your baby's born, you're going to need it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like these.